I ran up my money, they say I act funny now. What? Ain't shit changed, I've been doing this since a child.
Hey! Yo. I'm driving to my homie's house right now, but I do got a little rant for you. Listen, there's so many people out there drop shipping right now. It is crazy. A lot of people are drop shipping, and you know what? I'm glad that I have the opportunity to share what I've done and all the success that I've had, but at the end of the day, there's just a lot of people just starting out, and they might be wondering what they're doing wrong or what they can do to get better and all this different stuff. And I just wanted to hop on and just spit some reality, because I think a lot of people have a really messed up perception on what like success actually is in dropshipping. Like, I feel like people have a disconnect between dropshipping and a real business, and they have a real disconnect between dropshipping and success in general, and just success in life in general. But I just want to be here to validate and confirm and talk about how everything that you do in life is directly correlated, and if you're just a failure, you're gonna be a failure, period. If you don't have the mindset to win and see success in whatever you do, whether that's making money, playing sports, going to the gym, working out, literally anything. If you don't have the mindset for success, you're not gonna be successful, period. And this is why a lot of people, I feel like the reason why it's disconnected is because there's so many YouTubers out there that talk about mindset, and it's all fucking garbage, and everybody talks about the same shit. But there's a point where you need to have the right mindset, and I feel like a lot of people are just coming out of working from their job, or just coming out of school, or whatever their situation is, where your mindset is just fucked up. Like, you've been pre-programmed your entire life to think like a consumer and to work as an employee. That's it. You haven't been programmed to think like hiring employees and being the guy that makes shit happen no matter what. If you think about people who have the mindset of a consumer, of an employee, all these different things, they will come up with a problem for every single solution. And I was just talking to one of my students about this. If you tell a normal person, like broke-minded, whatever, they could be rich, but they're still broke-minded, whatever. You tell them about dropshipping, they're gonna think of every little fucking reason why it wouldn't work out. And you're surrounded by these people, or maybe you're not, but most people are. I know I was. And the mindset of just being average and being a consumer and going to school and getting a job, it's all fucking garbage. And if you try to implement any sort of logic at all from that mind perspective into dropshipping, you're not going to be successful. There's no safe route. Dropshipping is a business, just like literally anything else. Starting a business is not about doing the work. It's not about having the right strategy. There's a lot more to it than that. It's about waking up every fucking day knowing that you're gonna get it. Okay, like, it doesn't matter if you have to fucking walk down the street and mow somebody's fucking lawn to get $20 5 times so that you can test a new product. That's running a business, not how much money do I need to start a Shopify store? How much money do I need to spend per product? How much, can I start with $1,000? Fuck that. It doesn't matter about any of that shit. What matters is that you're gonna do it. Period. Like, that's all that matters. And if you have that mindset, you will be successful. And this is why I say that there's more to drop shipping success than just having a good strategy. And because if you're just thinking like, oh, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna have $3,000 and I'm gonna test 20 products and hopefully one of them's a winner and I'll go off and make 10 grand a month, you're fucking full of shit. Okay, you have no idea what you're doing, and you need to get the right guidance. And this is why I say hiring a mentor is a lot more valuable than people think. A Facebook ad strategy, or my Facebook ad strategy, is on my YouTube channel. Why don't I have people coming to me with 6-figure stores, like everybody who's seen my videos getting a 6-figure store? I've had people do that because it's their second or third business. They already know what it takes. There's a lot more to it than strategy, period. And I see people all day coming into this with the most fucked up mindset, and they just it doesn't make any sense. They're trying to grow a business with the mindset of an employee, with the mindset of, tell me what to do and I'll do it, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna quit and go back to working my job. Like, what the fuck do you think this is? Like, people are making real money, and I talk about this on my Instagram stories and all this shit, and I don't expect this video to get a lot of views or anything. I just wanted to rant about this because you need to understand, and if you're somebody listening to this and you have this sort of mindset, good, because this is what I'm making it for. I'm making this for people who do have this kind of mindset, and coming out of something like the real world when you're going to school and getting a job, or you've been working a job for the past couple of years, going into a business is difficult, okay? It's not easy, but you need the mindset, I'm going to fucking do it, or else it's not gonna work. Like, I know people who have literally gone door to door, including myself, just to stack up a little bit of money and get that little bit of cash flow going, because everybody knows that momentum is everything, and drop shipping is not the only way for you to be successful. If you don't have much money and you don't have a lot of cash flow, and your only income source is your job, and you want to get into drop shipping, bad idea. Not a bad idea if you have a ton of money laying around and you've just been stacking for a while. But there's so many fucking businesses that you can go out there and just start making money right away, like lawn mowing, shoveling driveways, graphic design, video editing, all these different things, where you can just be 100% self-employed, especially if you're young and you're only making like $1,000 a month from your job. It's so simple just to make $1,000 if you actually get off your ass and provide value and charge a little bit of money for it and just do it a bunch of times. It's not that difficult. I did it. And then once you start, like, let's say you start up a video editing business. Once you get a few video editing clients, you made like $60, whatever, 300, however much you're charging per video. You got momentum, you have cash flow. Okay, you don't need a fucking job. You have the cash flow, and then you can reinvest that, or you can just keep stacking it. What I'm saying is, I'm just sick of people out here wondering how to be successful, and then all they're doing is drop shipping. Like, that shit takes an hour a day max. It's so, like, there's so many different things that you can do to see success, and you're doing a strategy for 3 months and it's not working. Fucking stop drop shipping for a minute and go do something else. Like, there's nothing to say. Like, go make money. Making money in this world is not ridiculous. It's not hard. Look, car salespeople, I've driven by at least 100 cars just talking on this video. Okay, you know how much money that is? At 20, 30, 40, 50 grand a pop. Okay, there's money out there. Money. House. I've talked about this before. I'm driving by a school that probably costed $30 million to build. How can you provide value to get some of that cake? Period. And I just want to end this video off with saying, if you're doing drop shipping and your goal is to be successful with drop shipping, just fucking do it. Like, there's nothing that can stop you. You shouldn't have a limited budget. There's no excuse to have a limited budget. The strategies are out there for you. Mentors, everything. It's all abundance. There's no scarcity of absolutely anything in this world. So just go out there and just do it, and stop coming in to drop shipping with the mindset of a fucking employee.